In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then tap on Open under Google. Hit Google Password Manager and select Add Password here. Then input all of those informations. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner to add your password to Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!